looking up the skies, praying to understand the life you have shared to be my friend. It's been so long since I knew the thing they called a friend. But then you came and told me that this is not the end. Been so lost in my mind, ignoring the fact that all I need was time.